This video is going to show you how to get started with Book Creator. Visit www.bookcreator.com. So here I'm going to show you how to create a book creator. So if you wish to create a free account which will allow you to create up to 80 books, you can just click in. It has automatically signed me in there to my own book creator account, but I'm just going to go back so you can create a free account with your own email and so on, and that will allow you to create an account that is similar looking to the inside of this. So I'm just going to introduce you to the interface here. So you can see here you can see the libraries across the top, so you can create different libraries. Now on the free account you will have a private library here and you will have a public library, but that is all you will be able to access, and that will have a limit on 40 books in each account. You can also share libraries with other teachers within the school that you work with or outside of the school that you work with if you wish as well. There's a Discover tab across the top here as well, where you can look up different books that have been created to gain inspiration from them. And you can see, much like the SkullNet, you can search by grade or by topic. You can see how people might be integrating Book Creator with literacy and so on there as well. Also there is a learn section where you can learn all about Book Creator. There's a certification path where you can do, it will take about an hour to do the quiz, the Book Creator quiz, and that's worth doing if you really want to use Book Creator. And then you can see here there are apps that can be integrated with Book Creator too. But what I'm going to do today is just to give you a very quick overview of how you can simply create an ebook with your class or for your class. So you can see here when you go to my books, I've clicked into the library now, and you can see there are different pages of books here, and different introduction to books. You can create a new book here, and that will give you a certain number of options for blank books here at the top. So there are these 6 options, 3 comic options at the bottom and 3 non-comic options at the top. And at the top I'm going to choose and you can see, at the top, that there are different shaped books. So there's the traditional portrait book, there's a more square book, and a landscape book as well. And obviously you have to remember, you can print these books if you want at the end once you've created them. So I suppose it's worth thinking about what you want to use this book for, how it will be used. I'm going to keep this book a digital book only, so I'm going to use a landscape version so that it will take up the entire screen. And I am also going to choose the comic option just so that I can show you those comic skills that you can do. So you can see here at the top, this is the information page that will give you, or this is the information section that will give you the cover. If you turn to the right, that will just be page 2 of 3, and then page 3 of 3, and so on. And you can keep adding in pages up to about 100 pages, I think. If you want to see all your pages at once, you can together like this, just by clicking the pages button up here. If you want to return to your library, you just click back out of that and it will bring you into the library. To edit a book here, just click that edit, that pencil button. I'm going to rename this book and call it Book Creator Exemplar. Okay,